Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and now today we will discuss exercise 28. Exercise 28. In last lecture, in exercise 28, question number 1 and question number 3 is complete. So today we will discuss the rest questions of this exercise. Okay, beta? So firstly, see the question number 5. Question number 5. And question number 5 is a veranda is 40 meter long and 15 meter broad. 40 meter long and 50 meter broad. So we find the area of a veranda. So the area of a veranda equal to length multiply breadth, and length is 40 meter and breadth is 50 meter. So 15 for the 600 meter square. Convert into decameter. So you know very well 1 meter equals to 10 decameter. Since 1 meter equals to 10 decameter. Okay. So 600 multiply 10 and multiply 10 decameter square. Okay. So 60,000 decameter square. area of a veranda equals to 60,000 decameter square. Okay बेटा, now आगे रीड करते हैं. It is to be paved with stones, each measuring 6 decameter by 5 decameter. So the area of a stone, the area of a stone equals to again length multiply breadth, and length is 6 decameter multiply breadth is 5 decameter. So 5 6 are 30 decameter square. Clear na? Find the number of stone required. Number of stone required. So the number of stone required equals to area of veranda, and area of veranda is 60,000 divided by 30 divided by 30. So 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा बेटा. 3 into the 6. So your required answer is 2000. Your required answer is 2000. So everyone clear बेटा? Now after this see the next question. Question number 7. So question number 7 is the cost of a carpeting a room 15 meter long with a carpet of width 75 centimeter at rate 80 rupees per meter is 19,200 rupees. Then find the width of the room. Find the width of the room. Okay. So see the solution of this question carefully. This question is very important. Okay. So first of all, let the width of the room be meter. Clear na? So area of the room, length multiply breadth, so 15 multiply b, so 15 b meter square. Clear beta? As it is length of the carpet equals to total cost 19,200 and divided by rate is 80. So 0 से 0 करते रहेगा. 18 to the 16 and 18 for the 32. So 240 meter. Length of the carpet is 240 meter. Okay बेटा? Then area of the carpet equals to, you know very well, length multiply breadth, and length is 240 meter and breadth is 0.75. Okay, meter square. Since the area of the room equals to area of the carpet. Okay beta? So area of the room is 15 b equals to area of the carpet is 240 multiply 0.75 multiply 0.75. Clear बेटा? Again repeat. First of all, let the width of the room be b meter. Okay? So area of the room, you know very well, length multiply breadth. So length 15, breadth this. So 15 b meter square. Okay? Length of the carpet is total cost divided by weight. So 240 meter. And area of the carpet is 240 multiply 0.75 meter square. Okay? Since the area of the carpet means room का जितना area है उतने में हम carpet बिछाएंगे बेटा. So the area of the room equals to area of the carpet. So B equals to 240 multiply 0.75 divided by 15. And you know very well 15 5s are 75. So 5 0 0 5 4 are 20 and 5 2 are 10 to 12. After 2 digits we take a point. So B equals 12 meter. B equals 12 meter. So hence the width of the room, equals to 12 meter. Equals to 12 meter. This is the required answer. So everyone clear, beta? Now after this, see the next question. Question number 9. So beta, question number 9 is find the length of the largest pole that can be placed in a hole 10 meter long, 10 meter wide and 5 meter high. Okay? So give it part. First of all, give it. So give it क्या बेटा? Long means length. L equals 10 meter. Wide means width. B equals 10 meter. And height H equals 5 meter. This is a given part. ये आपको given है. आपको क्या find करना है? The length of the largest pole. Okay? So the length of the largest pole. So बेटा अगर हमें किसी रूम में किसी हॉल में एक लार्जेस्ट पोल रखना है मींस कोई सबसे बड़ी स्टिक भी अगर रखनी है तो उसे हम किस में रखेंगे? डायगोनल्स के फॉर्म में. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल लेंथ ऑफ द डायगोनल equals to length of the diagonal of the room. क्या होता है बेटा फॉर्मूला? स्क्वायर रूट L square plus B square and plus H square. Okay? Then put the value. L is 10 square. B is given 10 meter square. And height is given 5. Okay? So square of 10 is 100 and again 100 and square of 5 is 25. Then add करते हैं बेटा. So 225. So 225 square root is the किसका square root होता है बेटा? 15 का. किसका square root होता है? 15 का. So the length of the largest pole is 15 meter. Okay? So 10 meter. Everyone clear? Now after this, see the next question. Next question is 11. Now question number 11 is find the area of a square. आपको स्क्वायर के लिए एरिया फाइंड करना है बेटा. The length of whose diagonals is लेंथ डायगोनल्स की जो लेंथ है वो आपको गिवन है. तो आप लिखेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 फर्स्ट पार्ट द लेंथ ऑफ ए डायगोनल. The length of a diagonal is how much? 72 centimeter. 72 centimeter. You know very well. First of all, we know that the area of a square equals to 1/2 product of diagonals. So diagonal whole square because diagonal is 72. So 1/2 diagonal square means 72 multiply 72. Okay beta? Then start. 2 3 are 6 remaining 1 2 6 are 12. So 36 multiply 36 multiply 72. Clear beta? So your required answer is 2592. 2592 means 2592 centimeter square is the required answer. Everyone clear? Now after this, see the second part of question number 11. Second part is, this time the length of a diagonal is 2.4 meter. 2.4 meter. Again same method. We know that the area of a square, you know very well, 1/2 diagonal square. Diagonal square. So 1/2 as it is beta, and diagonal is 2.4. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 the 4. Okay. So 12 4 ja 48. Remaining 4. 12 to the 24. 24 and 4 28. After 2 digits we take a point. Meter square. So this is the required answer of this part. Now after this, see the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Everyone see question number 13. Question number 13 is, the area of a square field is 1/2 hectare. Okay. So लिखिए बेटा, the area of a square equals 1/2 hectare. Find the length of its diagonal in meter. मीटर में फाइंड करना है आपको क्या? Length of diagonal. So we know that 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. Okay. So put here 1/2 multiply 10,000. So beta 2 5s are 10. 3 0 as it is, means 5,000 meter square. ये क्या है आपके पास? The area of a square. Area of a square. Okay beta? But question is, find the length of its diagonal. And you know very well, area of a square in form diagonal 1/2 diagonal square. Okay. This 5,000 as it is by cross multiply. So diagonal square equals to 5 to the 10. Okay beta? Then square root diagonal equals square root of 10,000. 10,000. So square root फाइंड करते हैं बेटा. 100 multiply 100. So 100 meter. 100 meter means diagonal is 100 meter. Okay. So hence the length of its diagonal equals to 100 meter. This is the required answer of this question. Everyone clear beta? Now today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.